Hi, and welcome to the Innovation Studio at the Tamworth Library. Today we're going to look at making this face mask. Now this is a face mask that requires 3 layers of material and these 3D printed clips. We'll get into that in a minute, but basically it gives you the best of both worlds. Like our previous video, we had a mask that needed a sewing machine and it gave a really good fit and it looked really nice. Another option was to just tie a shirt around your face. Didn't require any sewing, it was quite easy. But this option, as long as you know someone with a 3D printer, or you can come down to the library and for a small charge get these clips, it gives you a really good fit, a really good option for a face mask that's washable and reusable. Let's get started. Okay, here's what you'll need. Now, to comply with the Victorian Department of Health and Human Services, you need to have 3 layers of fabric. The first layer needs to be a polyester fabric. This can be found in swim shorts and activewear and that sort of thing. Make sure you check the label. The second layer needs to be a fabric mix, either cotton polyester or cotton polypropylene. You can find these in shirts. Make sure you check the label. And the third layer needs to be cotton, 100% cotton. Now you can also find these in shirts. You can find them in a lot of t-shirts, however the weave tends to be a bit loose, so try to get a tighter weave shirt is better. Alright, next you'll need some clips. These are 3D printed clips. If you own a 3D printer or know someone with one, you can download them off the site, linked in the description, and print these off. If not, you can come to the library for a small charge. We will give you some clips that you can use. Next you'll need some elastic. Now this elastic might be hard to get, but you can see at one of our previous videos we harvest some elastic from some underpants, but you can also get them from track pants and things like that. You'll need some scissors to cut things up, a ruler, a pencil or pen to mark it out, and an iron. Now this is optional. I think it makes the mask look better and fit better around your nose and chin. And that's it. Let's get started. Now we're going to cut our 3 fabrics to size. We've got our polyester, our fabric mix, and our 100% cotton. Cut the cotton fabric 24 centimeters by 13 centimeters. Cut the fabric mix 24 centimeters by 13 centimeters. And lastly, cut the polyester 24 centimeters by 18 centimeters. Our polyester is our outer layer, our fabric mix is the middle layer, and the 100% cotton is the inner layer. Now we're going to iron an edge on the polyester. This is optional, you can just fold it, but there's a much nicer edge if you can use an iron. So we're going to come in 1 centimeter from each side. And be careful not to iron your fingers. All right, we'll turn it around and do the other side. And this just gives it a nicer edge, and it fits a bit better on your face, on your nose and on your chin. Get your other layers. First we'll put on the fabric mix, and we'll put that on over the top. Then we'll put on the cotton. And we're just going to fold in from the sides. We're going to fold in 2 centimeters from each side. then we'll give it an iron. And again, you don't have to use an iron, but it gives it a much better fit around your face. So I'll come in 2 centimeters on the other side. Okay, now we're going to put our elastic onto our clips. Now our elastic is cut at 24 centimeters and we're just going to loop it around and put it on each end. So these bits are going to loop around your ear. Now it makes it easier to feed the elastic through the holes if you cut it at a slight angle like this, and then you should be able to feed it through. And we're going, you feed it in under the, so through the back edge, which is the flat edge of the clip, and you come through there. Then we go down through the middle hole and up through the end. Now it feeds back through the first hole, so it comes back on itself, just like you do your goggles or something like that. If you have a look at this, this will show you everything at once. Okay, now we've got our fabric and our clips all ready to go. What we need to do is take the fabric and have it facing up that way, and then you get the clip and you want to have the flat side facing up, and you'll just put it on the end, and you need to press the other part of the clip into the hole. Now it might be a little bit difficult to get it in there, you might have to press quite firmly. That's good, that means it's going to stay there. Make sure you lift it up and push the clip in all the way, and it should look like this. Now we'll do the other side. Make sure you get it in there nice and firm, and lift it up and push it through. And there we go. That's what it should look like. Okay, to put your mask on, make sure you got clean hands, and we need to take our mask and we need to open it up so you can see inside, and put it over your nose and chin and around your ears. Now if it's too loose or too tight, you can adjust it with these little clips here, and we're finished. Now make sure you wash your mask every day in warm soapy water and hang it on the line to dry. And in order to do that, you need to take the fabric out. So you pop these clips out. And you can take your fabric and put it in the wash. The good thing about this mask is with one set of clips, you can have any amount of fabric. So you can make yourself as many masks as you want. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and see you later.